Hooggehalte haltermak en nie haltermak beeste, skape en bokke is vanjaar op die 78ste Hertsgwil Landboufees tentoongestel. Haltermak manlike en vroulike diere van 6 beesrasse het teen mekaar in 'n enkel ras skou meegeding, waarvan die groot kampioene of raskampioene in 'n interras skou teen mekaar te staan gekom het. Altesaam 18 teelers het ingeskryf. Plaas Media het die fees bygewoon.
Hallo almal, welkom hier by die 78ste Hertsgwil Landboufees. Ons is hier vandag waar ons die Brangus nie haltermak skou is. Hertsgwil skou reël vir ons fees in Hertsgwil waar daar plus minus 120 Brangus diere uitgestal word. Dis nie haltermak Brangus van die veld af. Daar is so 16 teelers wat betrokke is by die skou. Ons skou oor 'n hele klomp klasse ouderdomsgewys waar die ouens teen mekaar meedeel, kompeteer en bietjie meet. Dis vriendskaplik, dis nie vir 'n kampioen of so nie. Daar is wel wenners op die einde van die dag. Dis baie goed vir ons ras. Kommersiële teelers kan sien wat ons bied van die veld af. So ek is Leonard Roberts, ek doen die bemarking vir Brangus Suid-Afrika op die raad. Dis ook hoof van die Wes-Vrystaat Brangus Genootskap en dis 'n lekker dag om by te woon. Dis lekker om te sien hoe 16 teelers met mekaar kompeteer, waar ons nie haltermak skou en die beeste net lekker geniet en saam kuier. So kom kuier saam met ons en geniet die dag saam.
Hi, I'm Dave McCall, President of the Sussex Society of South Africa, and we're here at the beautiful Hertsog show, the annual show that they have, and it's a blessing to be here. We've had a fantastic day yesterday. We arrived with all our animals, and it was great to meet all the people. And then today we had our annual Hertsgwil show, and we had 3 breeders from Sussex breeding here. We had around 20 animals, and it was really exciting. I think at the end of the day, the overall standard of the Sussex breed was fantastic, and we're really looking forward to the interbreeds tomorrow. Hopefully the breed's going to do well. And certainly in terms of the whole setup here, I think it's a fantastic environment. And thank you to all the people that have put it together. I think in terms of Sussex, obviously I've been around in South Africa for over 100 years. And it's great to still be going strong. And I think at the end of the day, there's a huge future for not only Sussex stud breeders in South Africa, but all the stud breeders. So I congratulate everyone that took the time and effort. It's not so easy preparing animals for the show, both in terms of their training as well as in terms of their conditioning. And at the end of the day, it's also about creating the genetics, which takes a huge amount of time and effort, and also obviously financial resources to put it all together. And at the end of the day, showing days like this really culminate in what we're trying to do as stud breeders. So great thank you to all that were involved, and looking forward to the next one next year.